Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the world of IPTV. In today's video, we explore IPTV's impact in the United States. But first, what exactly is IPTV and why is it vital? IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, redefining streaming content. Let's dive into how IPTV differs from traditional cable options. Traditional TV relies on satellite or cables. IPTV uses the internet. Next, we reveal the best IPTV provider, presenting our sponsor. www.2tv.store offers seamless streaming and unmatched channel variety. Wondering how to set it up? Follow our simple step-by-step guide. Firstly, ensure a stable internet connection. This is crucial for IPTV. Install the provided IPTV app on your device. Then log in easily. Enjoy endless entertainment. Stay tuned for conclusively exclusive offers.